Are you trying to break into government contracting but feeling stuck, overwhelmed, or unsure where to start? You are not alone. I get calls every day from small business owners just like you who are tired of chasing one contract at a time and ready to scale for real. But here's the truth. Most small businesses get stuck at the very beginning because they skip the foundation. And when the foundation is shaky, nothing else works. That's why I created the GovCon Blueprint series to walk you step by step through the entire journey of winning your first government contract. And in part 1, we start where it really matters, setting up your business in sam.gov the right way and choosing the correct NAICS codes so you actually show up in searches. Because if your SAM profile isn't complete or your NAICS code doesn't match what the government is buying, you won't even be seen, let alone selected. We also dive into how to use research tools like fpds.gov and usaspending.gov so you can see who's buying, how much they're spending, and what codes they're using to buy exactly what you sell. That's how my students are winning contracts. So if you're serious about scaling with federal or even state contracts, don't wing it. Get the setup right. Click the link below to watch the GovCon Blueprint series, part 1 on my YouTube channel right now. I'm Dr. Melissa J. Williams, and I'm here to help you live your best life doing what you love. Let's build your business the right way.